Hello folks, and welcome to Sociology 1. I'm your professor, Professor Ortega. Hopefully all of you received the welcome letter that I sent out to your Canvas inbox. And that gave you some basic descriptions about the course, but just like any other class, I always provide my students with a detailed syllabus, and you can find that directly in the modules, unless I sent it to you through email as well. And if you want to know how to navigate this course, information about that is directly below in the Getting Started section. By now, I'm sure that you've also noticed that online courses are a little bit different from your face-to-face courses. For one, you don't go to a physical class to learn or to listen to your professor lecture. Instead, you're going to attend a virtual class. Depending on the classes that you take, it could either be a Zoom or a non-Zoom class. This one here is one that you do at your own pace, where you will be working on weekly modules, and every module is addressing a different chapter or chapters in the book, and depending on the week. So for this online sociology course, we're going to engage in a variety of online learning activities such as discussion boards, content lessons, writing assignments, and just a quick reminder that you're going to need to complete a mandatory check-in that counts as like your first week of attendance, for which you must complete an initial post no later than this Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to me through Canvas inbox. I'll make sure I check my email daily, so that way I can give you a prompt response. Thank you guys so much. I'm looking forward to this wonderful semester with you.